Did you know? Over 90% of millionaires built their wealth through real estate? That's not luck, it's a formula. While most people chase stocks and trends, the wealthy quietly buy assets that pay them every month. They buy apartment buildings, commercial properties, and homes. Real assets that create real wealth. The school system never taught you this. Most parents didn't know it either. You were told to save money in a bank, but that just loses value to inflation, doesn't it? The real path to financial freedom: property. Real estate is the most proven wealth vehicle in history. It's tangible, it's essential, and you control it. This isn't about flipping houses for quick cash. It's about building an empire that pays you whether you work or not. Real estate protects you from inflation and creates generational wealth. I started with nothing, no handouts, just determination. I noticed every truly wealthy person owned real estate, so I got in the game. I didn't have much money, so I got creative and persistent. People said it was risky, that I'd fail. I ignored them and bought my first property. Then another, and another. Today, my company owns billions in real estate, all from that first decision to believe in myself. You don't need a silver spoon. You need commitment and action. This isn't just possible for you, it's necessary if you want to escape the rat race. If you want to control your financial destiny, you can't ignore real estate. Stop watching from the sidelines, get on the field, claim your piece of the planet. The formula is proven. The only question is, will you use it? The world won't teach you this, but you can learn it now. Don't wait for permission, start building your future. The first step is the hardest, but it's the most important. Your real estate journey starts today. Most people wait for the perfect time to invest. Winners don't wait, they create opportunities. You can make money in real estate in any market, boom, bust, or sideways. In a hot market, you buy and let appreciation do the work. But relying on appreciation alone is gambling. True pros make money even when prices are flat or falling. In a downturn, fear drives others away, but that's when the best deals appear. Motivated sellers, less competition, and lower prices mean you can negotiate incredible deals. Buy low, stabilize, and wait for recovery. The fortunes of tomorrow are made in today's downturns. Ignore the news and naysayers. The only thing that matters is the deal itself. Does it cash flow? Do the numbers work? That's what counts. Whether the market is up or down, your tenants still pay rent. Develop a mindset bigger than any market fluctuation. Focus on finding great deals, not timing the market. The market is just noise. The deal is the signal. Winners use the market as a tool, not an excuse. Don't let fear or headlines stop you. Every market is a goldmine for those willing to dig. The opportunity is always there, you just have to look. Start hunting for your next deal now. Forget appreciation for a moment. Cash flow is king. Cash flow is the money left after all expenses. Mortgage, taxes, insurance, repairs, management. If your property brings in more than it costs, that's positive cash flow. Money in your pocket every month. It's passive income and the foundation of a real estate empire. Here's a simple example. Buy a fourplex, rent each unit for $1,500. That's $6,000 a month. Subtract all expenses. Mortgage, taxes, insurance, repairs, management. And if you're left with $1,000 plus a month, that's real spendable cash. Cash flow lets you survive downturns. If property values drop, you're still collecting rent. The wealthy ride out recessions because their properties pay them, no matter what the market does. Your #1 goal as a new investor: buy properties that cash flow from day one. Don't fall in love with a property, fall in love with the numbers. Analyze every deal through the lens of cash flow. If it doesn't cash flow, it's not a deal. It's a liability. Stack these assets, one property at a time, each adding to your monthly income. Start with $500 a month, then $1,000, then $5,000. Before you know it, you're financially free. Cash flow is your safety net and your ticket to freedom. Focus on deals that pay you now, not just someday. Discipline and analysis are your best friends. Build your empire one cash-flowing property at a time. That's how you win in real estate. Don't wait for the market to make you rich. Force appreciation yourself. Forced appreciation means increasing a property's value through direct action, not just waiting for prices to rise. You do this by boosting net operating income, raise rents, cut expenses, add amenities, find tired, poorly managed properties and turn them into well-oiled machines. Example: buy a 10-unit building with below-market rents, invest in upgrades, raise rents, and suddenly you've created massive new value. Every dollar you add to NOI multiplies the property's value. Spend $50,000 on improvements, raise income by $30,000 a year, and you might add $500,000 in value. That's a 10x return on your renovation. Look for hidden opportunities. Add laundry, bill back utilities, reduce waste. Every improvement is multiplied by the cap rate. Don't just buy a property. Buy a problem you know how to solve. This is how you build wealth fast. The market doesn't control your destiny, you do. Master forced appreciation, and you control your wealth. Find the hidden gems, add value, and watch your net worth explode. That's the real investor's edge. The biggest myth? You need your own money to buy real estate. Wrong. The world is flooded with money, your job is to go get it. Leverage is your superpower. Use borrowed capital to control bigger assets. Example, $100,000 cash can buy one $100,000 property. Or, as a 20% down payment, it can control a $500,000 property. If that $500,000 property appreciates 5%, you make $25,000, not $5,000. That's a 25% return, not 5%. Leverage lets you scale fast, buy bigger, better properties, and multiply your returns. The tenant's rent pays off the bank loan for you. But leverage is a double-edged sword. Only buy deals with strong, positive cash flow. Cash flow covers your debt and keeps you safe. The bank's money builds your wealth, but only if the numbers work. Don't try to save your way to wealth, invest your way there. Use leverage to buy assets that pay you every month. The bigger the property, the more stable and profitable it is. Control the asset, let tenants pay for it, and enjoy the benefits: cash flow, appreciation, tax breaks, and loan paydown. That's the power of leverage. Don't let lack of cash stop you. Use other people's money to build your empire. The system is built for you to win if you play it right. Want to build a portfolio with little of your own money? Learn the BRRRR method. Buy, rehab, rent, refinance, repeat. Buy an undervalued property that needs work. Rehab it. Force appreciation with smart upgrades. Rent it out to quality tenants at market rates. Refinance based on the new, higher value. Pull your original investment back out. Now you own a cash-flowing property with little or none of your own money left in the deal. Repeat the process with the same capital. This is how you scale fast, even without millions in the bank. The key: buy right, rehab smart, rent well, refinance efficiently. Each cycle grows your portfolio and your wealth. BRRRR is a true wealth-building machine. It's repeatable, scalable, and proven. Use it to acquire unlimited properties over time. That's how you build massive wealth, one deal at a time. You don't make money when you sell, you make it when you buy. Finding great deals is the most important skill in real estate. The best deals aren't on public listings, they're off-market. Hunt for motivated sellers, divorce, job loss, tired landlords. Use direct mail, drive for dollars, network, and cold call. It's hard work, but that's why most people don't do it. Become a marketing expert, let every owner know you're a serious buyer. Build a pipeline of leads and analyze deals every week. It's a numbers game. Analyze 100 deals to buy one. The more you look, the better you get at spotting winners. Don't be afraid to make low offers. Most will say no, but you only need a few yeses. Be persistent and follow up relentlessly. A no today could be a yes tomorrow. Be professional, confident, and ready to solve problems. That's how you find hidden gems while others fight over scraps. The fortune is in the follow-up and the hustle. Fear holds most people back. They get stuck in analysis paralysis, studying but never acting. Knowledge is useless without action. Your first deal won't be perfect. Do it anyway. The market waits for no one. While you hesitate, someone else is buying, collecting rent, and building wealth. You learn more from one deal than from 100 books. Real-world experience is the ultimate teacher. Set a 90-day goal. Get your first deal under contract. Reverse engineer the process. How many offers, how many properties, how many leads? Break it down into daily and weekly actions. Execute with intensity. Don't worry about being perfect, just get moving. Momentum is your best friend. Fear is normal. It means you're growing. Don't let fear paralyze you. Take action anyway. Confidence comes after action, not before. Each deal gets easier. Momentum builds. Stop thinking, start doing. The only way to learn is to get in the game. Your future starts with your first step. We've covered the proven truths of building wealth in real estate. It's not magic, it's a formula. 90% of millionaires use this vehicle. You can make money in any market if you focus on strategy, not timing. Cash flow is king. Forced appreciation multiplies your wealth. Leverage lets you scale. Systems like BRRRR make it repeatable. The only thing separating you from your goals is a decision. You don't need to be a genius or come from money, just be hungry and willing to work. Hunt for deals, analyze numbers, make offers, and follow through. Anyone can do this. The information and opportunity are out there, the only variable is you. Write down your 10x goals. How much passive income, how many units, how soon? What's the first action you can take today? Do it now. Your future is a choice, not a chance. You can keep trading time for money, or you can build something real. Build an empire that pays you and your family for generations. The choice is yours, the time is now. Stop waiting, start building. Go out and get what's yours. Your 10x real estate journey starts today, let's go.